So on launch, you will see this continue with Google button. Once you click on it, you'll be redirected to a page where you need to sign in. Once you get through that and sign in, you'll be asked to give your profile. You can also click on the Learn More button if you want more details. Inside the profile page, at the top you'll see an interview option. Next to that there are more options too, but we'll cover those in another video. For now, let's just focus on the interview. So once you select interview, you will be asked to give your profile. You'll also need to upload your resume. If you don't want to upload, you can even just copy and paste it in there. Along with that, it's better to provide a job description too. That way the system can tailor your answers better. We've also increased the space, so now you can add longer resumes without any limit, and it will redirect you to the landing page. Before starting, you need to click on the button once. Okay, so the first test here is about attitude. What this does is analyze your style and then give you answers. Now, we are in the mood for a normal test. Like, think of it as a Salesforce exam type of thing. If you change the mode to coding, then it will give you more coding style answers. You just need to adjust based on your requirement. That will capture the question, process it, and then give you the full answer. You can completely use the copy button and paste it wherever you want, maybe in your terminal. If you prefer a more human-like typing feel, we also have another feature called Magic Key. You'll find that in the footer of our website. That helps you copy the code and paste it slowly, as if a human is typing. We'll talk about that later, but for now, let's stick to the basics. Next, let's go to settings and test everything before the real interview meeting. It's really important to test your microphone. You can do this by going into the voice input settings. There, you'll see all the available audio input options. Select them one by one and test. If your default microphone is working fine, you can just stick with that. Now, to start recording, you can either click on the button or just press the spacebar. That's the shortcut key. Press once to start, press again to stop. While it's listening, it captures what you're saying and gives a reply.
One is the importance of dependable and steady partners. Another is the value of shorter and more secure supply chains.
If you want longer responses, you can keep speaking and then stop when you are ready. Once you stop, the system will generate the reply. From there, you can polish the answer, extract key points, or even ask for next possible interview questions. There's also another mode where you hold the spacebar while speaking. As long as you hold it, the system listens. The moment you release, it stops.
Most of all, the cost of insufficiently searching for new opportunities, partnerships, and domains. It is this range of concerns.
This is really useful because it avoids capturing unwanted background noise or conversations. That way you only get precise replies. You'll also find your chat history here. Once you reset, everything is cleared. We don't store any of your data. Everything remains local to your system. You can also adjust the response size. For example, if you want smaller, concise replies, you can set that. Or if you want larger, more detailed answers, you can increase the size.
And India, the GDP of $4 trillion plus, growing at 7% for the foreseeable future, has an obvious need for large resources from dependable sources. In some cases,
from the chat, you can also continue a conversation. For example, you can type follow-up questions like continue or explain more. The system remembers the context and will respond accordingly. It also takes your profile into account and answers as if you are the profile person in an interview, so you can practice realistically. From there, you can polish the answer, extract key points, or even ask for next possible interview questions. Finally, I recommend testing in practice mode first. Maybe do a mock test with a friend or even with another device, just to make sure everything works smoothly. Microphone, redirects, chat flow, everything. Once you are confident it's all good, then you can move on to the real interview session. So that's the walkthrough for now.